Hi friends, if you are looking for a blog theme focused on photography, this video is for you. I have a very wonderful theme called Bild. It is a focused WordPress photography theme. This theme has been developed by My Themes. It was developed in 2016 and regular updates for this theme is also being done. Bild's delicate design places emphasis on the photographers rather than on the animations or graphics of the theme. The way Bild looks and works is in many ways seamless for your photos to get all the visitors' attention. This is the introduction of this Bild theme. And Bild is minimalist, clean designed to focus attention on your photos. This is the objective of this theme, and if we see the demo of this theme, this is the demo. It is having very clear and aesthetic look, and it shows only photographs on the home screen, and that was really great. And this is of course a very attractive design, and on this page you'll get this slider only and rest of navigations given in the side menu. So we can check the galleries, regular grid, and this is the gallery, and it has very to the point look, and of course it is going to bring more attention of visitors on the photographs rather than talking or showing anything else. And in any category the visitors can watch the photographs only. So for showcasing photographs it is a great theme, and there are arrangement for blogs and portfolio. Portfolio is also having almost same look. So in this video we are going to install the Bild WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also preview the theme options along with the demo content. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have demo content, licensing, changelog, documentation, how to update URL, and the main theme file. Let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose build-zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder, and I am just deleting the earlier one, and you can upload directly on the themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and both activities are same. Don't get confused. You can either upload from WordPress interface or directly on your server, and the theme file size is very less. It is a lightweight theme. It is just having 7.49 MB in size. So this is why this theme works fast on the website, and it is really a great advantage of having a good speed website. So this is going to be a good catch for your photography website, and that is also for specifically for photography blog website, and you will definitely get an advantage of speed and the quality of code. I have seen the great quality of code has been used in this theme, and it is really wonderful. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Bild, in which we got all the theme components, folder and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. And now go to the theme section again. Now we have Bild as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Bild. It is version 1.3.1. It is a photography theme. We can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins to run this theme, and we will check what plugins are here. And these are the list of plugins which are required for this theme, and these 4 are required: Advanced Custom Field Pro, Bild About Widget, Bild Gallery, Bild Portfolio, Contact Form 7 and Jetpack. So I am skipping the Jetpack and installing rest of all, and I am installing in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one to avoid any error. And now we can activate the installed plugins. Now all the plugins and the theme itself has been installed. We can take a look of our website how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of Bild WordPress theme, and it is without any demo content. So this is a simple look, and at this stage we definitely need to have demo content imported on the site to have target website like this. This is our target website, and now we shall go for the demo content import. And this theme does not offer any one-click demo import option, and we have to import the demo from the given demo XML file that is available in the theme pack. For this we have to go in the tools, import, and we need to install the WordPress importer and run the importer. And here choose file, choose the demo content, and we have the latest installation, so we will choose the content WordPress 5, open it, upload and file and import. And here you need to assign a user. Click on download and import file attachments and hit on submit. It may take a bit time because it imports and downloads all the media files and necessary files. So we have to be here on this screen until the process gets complete. Don't try to leave or refresh this page, it may replicate or create duplicates. And there are some failed import media, but rest of things has been done, and we will reach on this screen. All done, have fun. Now we can check the website, and it is here. There are pages as well. So custom front page, we can see this is the front page, and we can set it as home page, and rest of pages are also here. Galleries, original image has not been provided in the demo content, and that is also not required here. Once we put the images will be displayed on the page, and we can definitely create menus and assign menus for the right sidebar. And first we can set the home page. For this we have to go in the customize option, and I'll also show you the theme option. First let me set the home page first. Go to the customize, under appearance, click on home page setting, select a static home page, and here we can choose the custom front page and hit on publish. Now we have the home page set. Now home page is here, and since there is no image, it is not showing anything. It is just this is the same page, and we have to put the image on this page. I mean, it will pull from the blogs, so once you put any post, it will be displayed here. And for example, if we want to set like blog like this, and we can save image as, and go to the posts, so all posts, and click on edit. I'm just showing how we can set the images that is connected through the posts. And this is going to be displayed. Custom front page displays uses gallery, so we have to put the images on the front page gallery, which can be shown on the home page, and you can choose any. These are the options available, so we have to go in the all galleries, and front page galleries is here. You can edit it. We can just, for example, we can select this, and we can even put another image. it is simple, and you can display any gallery at the home page. And similarly on the post, if you use any image as featured image, that will be displayed on the post. And I am just updating for showcasing. And now we can take a look of our website, and now it comes here. I have uploaded 2 images. It is showing 2 images, and it is here. That is simple and effective, and this is really wonderful for showcasing the photographs. In terms of the quality, it is very good, and we can set all these options. Now I'll show you the theme options. The basic theme options are here. So you can choose logos, and you can put either text logo or custom image, and rest of settings are here. And there are minimal settings required for this theme, and all given on the single screen. It is enough, and you can also control the colors. You can use custom colors, and you can use custom fonts as well. This is the font setting. You can use custom typography, and all such settings are here. And it is simple to use. Even a non-technical person can handle this theme and use this theme very easily. So in this video we have completed the installation and demo import, and also previewed the theme options. I believe you liked this video, and if you are having any question regarding this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me. Write in the comment section of this video, and I am also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme. Thanks for watching.